Is it bad for man to go to supermarket or market? Okay, today I'm heading to shopping in the market. Yes, in my village market. It is one of its kind. It is beautiful. It's a good place. Just to go and visit there. So today I've just decided to go and buy some vegetables, tomatoes, fruit, and get some little things that I can use in the house, and onions. But one thing, when I go to the market, when you are a man and you go to a market, market people are in the market in Kenya, all of them are just women. Like 90% of people who are in the market are women. So when you go there as a man, they serve you very well. They give you even double. They add you some things. So that's why I go to the market on my own. That is the secret of me going to the market, by the way. So it is so wonderful. Being in the market is another thing that keeps you like... You are on your toes, like giving you a moment, like you are there, you are living in that moment. You love every person that you meet in the road and say hi. Like I meet many people I know, like people I've been doing photography for. So when I go to the market, I make sure I meet new people. And today I love this woman who just give me tomatoes. She's good when she selected my tomatoes and onions. I don't know why, but she's so wonderful and so courageous. Even if you visit our village market, please go at her place and buy tomatoes. So it is wonderful to see someone also progressing. So keep it locked and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah. I want to reach to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year, God willing. And maybe you're the one that is not giving me that view.